You say I should be somewhere else, in arms stronger.